Hey Cupcake, I'm Kayjay and this is Kayjay's World. And if you don't know, I am the founder of Kayjay Cakes, where I make cakes and treats. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, do that right now to see all of my desserts and to see, updates, ideas, take a poll, order something, get into it. If you aren't subscribed, click that subscribe button, hit the bell to get updates whenever I post videos, because on this channel I'm going to be showing you how I do my treats, do food reviews, and just introducing you to the person that's behind the cakes. Now for this video, I'm going to be showing the process of me making fondant pieces to these cupcakes I just made not too long ago. My friend, he has a brand where he makes shirts with the X that says cancel through it, and I just think that it is so appropriate for 2020. If you would like to buy one of the shirts, I would say go to his brand. I'm gonna put it, it's right here, this is it, and you should go buy a shirt. Now today's video is going to be more of a walk through. I'm not going to just play the music and let you explain it a bit along the way. So here I'm showing you everything that I'm going to be using to get the process done. So we're going to start by covering your workspace with cornstarch so your fondant doesn't stick. You want to make sure you knead it up a bit, make sure you got enough. Cover your rest of your fondant because that's going to dry out. You want to roll your fondant as thin as possible because it's going to help it dry faster. And I personally don't know too many people who actually like the taste of fondant. It's more so just for a decoration. So I'm just going to keep rolling it, checking it, patching it up, lining up my stencil mixes made ahead of time, and just trace it out in my scribe. Now the scribe, I'm just tracing it, I'm not cutting through because I feel like with this tool it would just drag and cause tears. I'm going to use another fondant tool and actually cut it out carefully, slowly, and just make sure I can get those excess out. I'm shaping them up, I'm matching them up. I'm going to smooth out the edges and trim accordingly. So now I'm going to do the crowns for these cupcakes. Just again, roll it out, try to get it as thin as possible. Use a scribe, trace out the crowns bit by bit. And now I'm using the tool to cut them out again. Smoothing, cutting, editing, adding creases, all those good things. I'm just gonna make sure they're nice and good and then set them to dry. Now after they are dried, I'm gonna get my dual and edible marker. It is just full of food coloring. I bought this off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I'm gonna start writing out on the cupcakes and doing the design. Now here's where it really got tricky. For the crown, it required more coloring, and eventually one of the tips did break off. I'm not sure if the camera caught it. So I ended up switching to a oil-based coloring. I use these for candy melts. It's a Wilton brand candy colored and it's oil-based, and it just slid onto these crowns. It was just perfect. Now I'm gonna make my frosting, which is just butter and powdered sugar. You whip it, and for the cupcakes, I want to flat ice them. You could use a piping tip, make a fancy, you know, rosette or anything you want, but for me, I wanted to flat ice it. The person who ordered these cupcakes told me that the birthday boy did not have too much of a sweet tooth. So I was like, okay, we don't need too much extra frosting. We want to focus more on the look. Those were the royal canceled cupcakes. They ended up looking like this. I didn't actually record myself putting the pieces on because I thought, you know, it's just sticking them on top. Also, I didn't put the pieces on until I knew that they were getting close, or until I got a word that they were on their way, because I wanted to make sure that like the fondant didn't get wet at all. Like I wanted to ensure that the fondant was dry. So I put that on at the very end. But yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys again.